I want to tell you, Pastor Kevin, that arrow is directed to me. I can sense it with all the fibers in my life. That it is, you see, let me tell you, there are certain signs you see. I stood there and I said, I saw a multitude of altars raised against my life. I don't know if you pray for me. Listen, it's key to understand that, because I can't pray that prayer for myself. It's a demonic arrow of death. It's meant to take me out. And I know what I'm talking about, because I can sense ripples and I can see them. And let me even tell you the truth. One of the reasons why I stopped preaching in January is because of the impact of that arrow. So I said, let me retreat from the pulpit and settle my spirit, because you don't engage warfare when you're busy. So the battle lines have been drawn. In any battle there are casualties, but we are not from the kingdom that loses. We are coming from the realm of victory. Hallelujah. And I want Pastor Eugene to confirm it, because they have been praying for me. They gathered as a team of 3 pastors and they began to pray. I may not mention in details, but there are things God has been showing. I'm in a path of what I call separation and consecration. So don't give me the pressure to come back on the pulpit.